All right, fifth grade, this is the Lesson 2 exit ticket for Module 4, where we were asked to look at fractions in terms of division. So for number 1, we are to draw a picture that shows the division expression, then write an equation and solve. So the first thing we need to do is we need to represent our problem in a picture. So 3 divided by 9 to do that in a picture, we would draw 3 holes and then divide each hole into ninths to show division of 9. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now that I've drawn 3 holes and I've cut each hole into 9 equal parts, I'm going to show that in a division expression or an equation. So I have 3 and I divided my dividend of 3 by 9. And now I have 27 ninths. Now if I counted each little piece, there'd be 27 total, and they're ninths because I cut my holes into ninths. Alright, so now I have 27 ninths, but I still need to divide that by 9. And so 27 ninths divided by 9, well, I can do 27 divided by 9, which I know is 3, and then I'm still in ninths. Well, how do we write 3 ninths? 3 ninths is written like this. 3 over 9, 3 ninths. Alright, so that would be our answer is 3 ninths. Now, you could simplify 3 ninths by dividing by 3, and so 3 ninths would be the same as saying 1/3. Which you didn't have to simplify, but you could. So if you had 1/3, you are also correct. Alright, let's go over B. 4 divided by 3. And I should be able to draw these a little bit smaller. So, 4 divided by 3. To draw a picture, we first need to show our 4 holes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I always make sure to label my holes as one hole like this because I'm not very good at drawing models, and so they clearly don't look like they're the same size, so those labels are really important. Now to divide by 3, I need to just do just that. I need to divide each hole into 3 parts. So there's 3 parts, there's 3 parts, there's 3 parts, and there's 3 parts. So now, instead of 4 divided by 3, I can just say I have 12 thirds, right? Because this is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and if I added them all up, there's 12 of them. So 12 thirds divided by 3, okay? And so if I divide 12 thirds by 3, or 12 divided by 3, I'm left with 4 thirds. And if we think about 4 thirds, how would we write that? Well, 4 thirds is 4 over 3 in fraction form, 4 thirds. And we could simplify that by taking out the whole 3 over 3, which makes 1, and then you have 1/3 left over. So 4 thirds is equal to 1 1/3. So essentially, if you were to take 4 crackers and divide it by 3 people, every person would get 1 1/3 cracker. 4 thirds. Alright. For number 2, it asks us to fill in the blanks to make the number sentences true. Okay, and so we have 21 divided by 8. Well, how do we write 21 divided by 8 in fraction form? We just rewrite it like this, 21 over 8. 21 divided by 8 is the same as 21 eighths. 7 fourths is like saying 7 divided by 4. 4 divided by 9 is 4 ninths. And 1 2 sevenths, well, you have to think, 1 is equal to 7 sevenths, and then we have 2 sevenths, so 7 plus 2 is 9, so you really have 9/7, or 9 divided by 7. All right, good luck today with lesson 3.